In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know the exact sequence to safely remove a workspace, what to check before you do it, and how to confirm it's gone. First, head to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, enter your email address and click Continue. When prompted, type your password and click Log In. This will take you to your Asana homepage. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you want to use for this process. From your homepage, look to the top right and click your profile photo. In the Workspace switcher, select the workspace you intend to delete. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place because the changes you make next will affect everything in that workspace. Open the workspace and clear it out. Start by removing or deleting all projects. If there's anything you might need later, consider exporting or documenting it before you delete. Deleting projects is permanent and can't be undone, so use this moment to double-check what should stay elsewhere and what can go. Next, remove all members from the workspace. You may need the correct permissions to do this. Typically, only admins can remove other members. If you don't see the option to remove someone, you may need to adjust your role or ask an admin to proceed. Keep going until you are the last or only member left. This step matters because a workspace only fully goes away once no members remain. With projects cleared and members removed, click your profile photo again and choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. Look for the option labeled Remove Me from this workspace. Click it, and Asana will show a confirmation prompt. Click Remove to confirm. If you were the last member, Asana will delete the workspace after you leave. That means all remaining content tied to that workspace will be removed. If there were still members or projects, the workspace would stay active, so be sure you completed those earlier steps. To recap, log in, switch to the target workspace, delete all projects, remove all members, then open Settings, go to Account, and remove yourself. That's the cleanest way to ensure the workspace is fully deleted. Take care with the irreversible parts, especially project deletions, and consider a quick backup if you need records. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to clean up your Asana workspaces with confidence.